Hello students, good evening everyone. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. So as you all know, we are doing SSC, Polycet and TSRDC revision classes. So daily you have class from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is sponsored by Jatadhara Educational Technology. So today it is a day 12. So let us start the topic. So first, so today we will do some questions on ray diagrams. So you can see here, this is a concave mirror. Okay. ఇది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ సో కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ నుంచి పాయింట్ సి దగ్గర వరకు ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ ని ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ అంటే సి అండ్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ మిర్రర్ పి ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ది పోల్ ఆఫ్ ది మిర్రర్. ఈ రెండు మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చేసి రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ ఆర్. నెక్స్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పోల్ to the focus. Pole to the focus is called focal length f. So the relation between this focal length and radius of curvature is r is equals to 2f. So remember this, radius of curvature ki and focal length ki madhya unna relation vachesi r is equals to 2f. Now let us see కొన్ని questions చూద్దాము. Radius of a curvature of a concave mirror is 20 centimeters. Find its focal length. Radius of a curvature of a concave mirror is 20 centimeters. Find its focal length. So, మనకి radius of curvature ఇచ్చాడు 20 centimeters. Then focal length కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. సో మనకి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? R is equals to 2 by F. ఇక్కడ ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు? Focal length. అంటే F is equals to R by 2. So 20 by 2, which is 10 centimeters. Option A is the right answer. Let us see how many students have given the right answer. Yes, very good. Lokesh, Aditya, Pavan, Nitin. Very good. So option A is right answer. Let us move to the next question. Find the radius of curvature of a concave mirror if its focal length is 25 centimeters. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? మనకి ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఫోకల్ లెంత్ వచ్చేసి 25 సెంటీమీటర్స్ అంటున్నాడు. ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు? రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. ఫార్ములా రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ అండ్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ కి ఆర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2f. సో ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ గా అప్లై చేసేయచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చాడు, మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సింది రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. సో లెట్ us see, అంటే ఆర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 into 25. Yes, very good. Option C, that is 50 centimeters is absolutely right answer. Very good that you people are giving answers. Others, Junaya, Ganta, Nitin, very good, and some other about mathematics. So yes, good. Yes, very good students. Aditya, very good. So option C is absolutely right answer. Next one. So observe this picture. So here is the object. Beyond the center of curvature, we have a object. That is radius of curvature. Okay, center వెనకాల మనకి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. సో ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది? Where will image form in concave mirror when the object is placed beyond the C? Let us see the answer. Yes, please try. Okay, Anjali. Okay, I'm getting answers. Yes, let us see. Yes, option C is absolutely right answer. Very good. Aditya, yes, Nitin. Nitin, it is not option A, it is option C. Between C and F, we will get the image. Yes, Anjali, C, Lokesh. Very good. Hansika. Very good, students. Let us see next question. Where the image is formed. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అయింది, ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? కొంచెం దగ్గరలోనే ఉంది సెంటర్ కి. యూ కెన్ సీ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. Yes, students. I got one answer as C from Adarsh. Yes, Anjali also gave me the right answer. It is option C, between C and F only. When the object is placed beyond the center of curvature, the image వచ్చేసి మనకి C and F మధ్యలోనే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Right. Next, where the image is formed. For this question, where will the image form? It is between focus and pole of the mirror. Focus కి pole of the mirror కి మధ్యలో ఉంది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. Yes. Yes. Okay. I got few answers as D. Very good. It forms behind the mirror. Behind the mirror form అవుతుంది. Right. And the image is virtual, erect and enlarged. ఓకే, మనకి బిహైండ్ ది మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళు అంజలి, నితిన్, సందీప్, ఆదర్శ్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఇస్ నాట్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. దట్స్ ఓకే. తప్పు చెప్పినా పర్లేదు, బట్ నేర్చుకోండి. ఇప్పుడైనా నేర్చుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ టైం రిపీట్ చేయొద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. When the object is placed at focus, F, ఫోకస్ దగ్గర పెట్టినప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Yes. Okay. We shall see the answer. చాలా మంది ఆప్షన్ డి ఇచ్చారు. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఇన్ఫినిటీ దగ్గర ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఫోకస్ దగ్గర ఉంటే, ఫోకస్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఉంటే, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఇన్ఫినిటీ దగ్గర ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు అని అంటే, రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, విచ్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది మిర్రర్, ఓకే, ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ అండ్ దే కెనాట్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్. సో దట్స్ వై అవి ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవ్వవు, కాబట్టి మనకి ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఇన్ఫినిటీ దగ్గర ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. సో వెన్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇస్ బిట్వీన్ C and F, radius of curvature and focus, that is center of curvature and focus, ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఉంటే మనకి ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Yes, students, I am waiting for your answer. ఓకే, చాలా మంది బియాండ్ సి అని చెప్తున్నారు. వి షల్ సి. Yes, it is absolutely option A. It is right answer. Very good. Adarsh, Nitin, Aditya, Anjali, Muhammad Jafar, Lokesh, Vishnu Reddy, Sandeep, Hansika, Very good, students. Option A is absolutely right answer. Image is formed beyond C. Next. Suppose object is placed at C. సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గరే ప్లేస్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గరే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తే ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గర ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఎస్, Nitin gave me the right answer. That is at C. Yes, Aditya at C. Very good. So answer is at C. Yes, Anjali is also right. Very good. So image మనకి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గరే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. సో ఇక్కడ చూసినట్టయితే జస్ట్ మీకు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఒక్క చేంజ్ అయింది అంతే. ఇన్వర్టెడ్ పెట్టాం. సో ట్రై టు ఆన్సర్. ఇఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇస్ బిట్వీన్ సి అండ్ ఎఫ్ మనకి ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఇఫ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ బిట్వీన్ సి అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్. సందీప్, నో, ఆదిత్య, నితిన్, ఆదర్శ్, జాఫర్, లోకేష్, ఎస్, నందలాల్, నితిన్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఓన్లీ మనకి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పొజిషన్ చేంజ్ అయింది అంతే. రైట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ బియాండ్ సి. It is beyond C. Next one. If it is between F and P, F and P మధ్యలో ఉంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ if object is between F and P, then yes, yes, Anjali, you're right. It is behind the mirror. Yes, Adarsh, it is E. Jafar, E. Yes, Nitin, very good. So the answer is behind the mirror. మనకి ఫోకస్ అండ్ పోల్ మధ్యలో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ బిహైండ్ మిర్రర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Suppose image is at center of curvature. Sorry, object is at center of curvature. Object center of curvature దగ్గర ఉంటే ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది మనకి ఇమేజ్? Yes. Very good. Adarsh, Nitin, Hansika, Sirivandana, Jafar, Aditya, Anjali. Very good. It is option B. That is at C. Very good. It is at C. Next. Again, if the object is beyond C, అప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఇమేజ్ మనకు? Object is beyond C. Yes. Anjali, Nitin, Hansika, Nandalal, very good. Lingaya, Adarsh, Aditya, Jafar. It is between C and F. between C and F మనకి image form అవుతుంది. So with this, physics concept is completed for today. Tsrjc, physics లో రే ఆప్టిక్స్ లో కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయగలిగాము అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ దట్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఆన్సరింగ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్లీ. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే దీన్ని చూసి ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వి విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ బయాలజీ. Okay, please stay tuned. We will continue with biology. I invite Fatima ma'am to start the session.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hello, students. Now you have your biology session. So, welcome to your biology class now. And we will be doing biology questions. All right. And our today's topic is nutrition. All right. I hope you all are ready for biology session as well. Yes. Okay. So let's do some questions. Okay, these are the questions related from the topic nutrition. And here is the first question. The internal energy, cellular energy reserve in autotrophs is, and your options are number 1, proteins, number 2, fatty acids, number 3, glycogen, number 4, starch. So you have to tell the correct answer. Which is the correct answer for this question? The internal energy, cellular energy, or internal energy or cellular energy reserves in autotrophs. In which form? Now, the question is very easy. I know you all will be able to answer. Yes, students, all of you are correct. That is option 4. Starch is the right answer. Second question, the first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive system is, and your options are number 1, amylase, number 2, pepsin, number 3, trypsin, number 4, lipase. Amylase can also be called as salivary amylase. So, which is the correct answer? The first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive system. Come on, students. Yes, Nitin, Adarsh, you all are right. The correct answer is salivary amylase. Okay, because saliva gets mixed into our mouth with the food, and in the saliva only this enzyme is secreted, that is known as amylase. So amylase is the right answer. Next question, where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? And your options are number 1, mouth, number 2, stomach, number 3, esophagus, or number 4, small intestine. Where are proteins first digested? All right, I'm getting mixed answers for this question. Let me reveal the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is stomach. Okay, so proteins are first digested in stomach. That is in the alimentary canal. Okay. So option 2 is the right answer. Those who have opted option 2, they are right. Next question. The process of digestion in humans is completed in, and your options are stomach, large intestine, esophagus, or small intestine. The process of digestion in humans is completed in stomach, large intestine, esophagus, or small intestine. All right. Now, the correct answer for this question is option 4. Okay, small intestine. The process of digestion is completed in is small intestine. Okay. Next question. The causes for vomiting are, and your options are number 1, overeating, number 2, food containing high proportion of fat. Number 3, when we eat something very indigestible or poisonous. Number 4, all the above. What could be the correct answer, students? Okay. Students, you all are doing great. I can see the responses are very high in the chat box. I cannot take all of your names. But yes, you all are correct. The option 4 is the right answer. All the options: overeating, food containing high proportion of fat, or something very indigestible or poisonous food. This all causes vomiting. So option 4 is the right answer. Next question. Deficiency of biotin results in, and your options are burning feet, nervous disorder, anemia, or pellagra. Now here biotin is written, and I guess all of you know that biotin is the name of what? Can anyone tell me what is biotin? Students, biotin is basically a form of a vitamin. Yes? So the correct answer for this question will be nerves disorder. Okay. So deficiency of biotin results in the nervous disorder. Okay. So those who have opted option 2, they are right. Burning feet will not be the correct answer. The correct answer will be number 2, nerves disorder. Okay. Next question. The chemical name of vitamin B3. And your options are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, or pyridoxine, or pyridoxine, whatever you pronounce. So, what is the chemical name of vitamin B3? Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, or pyridoxine? Sri Vanilla is saying option 3, niacin. Adarsh is saying option 3, niacin. Okay, let me reveal the correct answer. Yes, students, you all are correct. Niacin is the right answer. Okay? Niacin. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question. Chloroplasts from cells were isolated by. And your options are Pelletier, Kevin 2, Daniel 1 Arnon, or Engelmann. Chloroplast from cells was isolated by whom? You have to tell the name of the scientist. Okay, I'm getting mixed answers for this. Many of you are saying Kevin 2, but the correct answer is Daniel 1 Arnon. He was the first person who isolated chloroplast. Okay, next question. Chlorophyll pigment contains one atom of dash, and your options are number 1 iron, number 2 magnesium, number 3 potassium, or number 4 calcium. Chlorophyll pigment contains one atom of iron, magnesium, potassium, or calcium. Okay. Alright, students. The correct answer is number 2, magnesium. Okay. So those who have opted magnesium, they all are right. Very well, students. I am seeing many of you are answering very correctly. Excellent, students. Keep answering like this. Okay. Next question. Which part of the dodder plant or cascata forms hostoria? And your options are number 1 root, number 2 stem, number 3 leaf, or number 4 all the above. Which part of the dodder plant or cascata plant forms hostoria? Cascata plant is a parasitic plant. Yes. It absorbs nutrition through hostoria. So which part of the plant forms hostoria? And the correct answer is number 2, stem. Okay. Those who have opted of number 2, they are right. All right. No, number 1, it's not root. Hostoria is a root-like structure. Students, many of you are answering number 1. Let me clear your doubt here. Hostoria is a root-like structure. It penetrates to the other plants, but it is the part of the stem. Okay. So stem will be the correct answer. Next question. Carbohydrate digestion do not occur in this part of alimentary canal. Okay. And your options are number 1, mouth, number 2, esophagus, number 3, stomach, or number 4, small intestine. Here we are talking about carbohydrate, students. Answer the question carefully. Carbohydrate digestion do not occur in this part of the alimentary canal. What could be the correct answer? Mouth, esophagus, stomach, or small intestine? And the correct answer for this question is esophagus. See, no food is digested in mouth. Only salivary amylase gets mixed with the food in the mouth, right? So the correct answer will be esophagus because and esophagus is also food pipe. In that food is carried to the alimentary canal, right? So the correct answer will be esophagus. Next question. Intake of fiber rich food avoids dash. Defecation or defecation, constipation, absorption or indigestion. Intake of fiber rich food avoids defecation, constipation, absorption or indigestion. Yes, students, the correct answer is number 2. Very well answered, students. Many of you are answering correctly. Next question. The end products of photosynthesis are number 1, glucose, number 2, oxygen, number 3, water, number 4, all the above. Come on, students, let's quickly answer the questions now. Although I am getting responses more faster than expected. And this is very appreciating. I really appreciate you all for answering like this. Keep the pace maintained for every class. All right, students. Excellent, excellent. Many of you are answering number 4. That is the right answer. Yes, students. So option 4 is the right answer. Next question. The intermediate compound that participate in synthesis of glucose is, and your options are number 1, oxaloacetic acid, number 2, succinic acid, number 3, ribulose diphosphate, or number 4, acetyl coenzyme or acetyl CoA. Intermediate compound that participate in the synthesis of glucose. Oxaloacetic acid, succinic acid, ribulose diphosphate, or acetyl CoA. All right, students, the correct answer for this question is ribulose diphosphate. Okay. Next question. Nutrients present in balanced diet are number 1, carbohydrates, proteins, number 2, fats, vitamins, number 3, mineral salts, number 4, all the above. Which one is the right answer? This is very easy question. Nutrients present in balanced diet. All of you have read balanced diet, right? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats or vitamins, mineral salts, or all the above? Very well answered, students. Number 4 is the right answer, all the above. Next question. This vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in the intestine. Okay, you have to tell the name of the vitamin. And your options are number 1, cyanocobalamin, number 2, pyridoxine, number 3, folic acid, or number 4, pantothenic acid. In the question itself, it's asking this vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in the intestine. Cyanocobalamin, pyridoxine, folic acid, or pantothenic acid. Aditya, Adarsh, Sandeep. Number 1. Answering number 1. Okay. Yes, number 1 is the right answer. Not number 4, number 3, number 2. But number 1 is the right answer. Okay, those who have opted number 1, they are right. Next question. The role of acid in stomach is, and your options are number 1, it kills harmful germs. Number 2, HCl creates an acidic medium. Number 3, both 1 and 2. Number 4, none of the above. The role of acid in stomach is it kills harmful germs. HCl creates an acidic medium. Number 3, both 1 and 2. Number 4, none of the above. And the correct answer for this question is number 3, both 1 and the above. It kills harmful germs as well as it creates an acidic medium for the digestion of the food. So number 3 will be the right answer. Next question. These ions produced in photolysis form water and oxygen dash OH minus ions, OH plus ions, or Cl minus ions, or H plus ions. So you have to tell which ions are produced in photolysis forms water and oxygen. Hydroxyl ion, OH minus ion, OH plus ion, Cl minus ion, or H plus ion. Quick students, you all are doing great. I want answer for this question as well. Let me see how many of you are answering correctly. All right, let me reveal the correct answer. I'm getting many mixed responses. So the correct answer is OH minus ions. Number 1. Okay, those who have opted OH minus ions, they're right. Next question. Water soluble vitamins are? And your options are A, D, K vitamins, B complex and C vitamins, vitamins A, K and E, or B complex vitamins. Which vitamins are water soluble vitamins? A, D, K, B complex and C, vitamin A, K and E, or B complex vitamins. Right. The correct answer for this question is number 2. Many of you have answered very correctly. Shri Vanilla, Mohammad Zafar, Sandeep Singh, Aditya Pawan, you all are right. Number 2 is the right answer. Keep it up, students. Next question. The first step in photosynthesis is, and your options are photolysis of water, production of ATP, NADPH, carbon dioxide reduction, or excitation of chlorophyll. So you have to tell which is the first step of photosynthesis, whether it is photolysis of water, production of ATP or NADPH, carbon dioxide reduction, or excitation of chlorophyll? Come on, students. Quick, your time is running very fast. All right. The correct answer for this question is number 4, excitation of the chlorophyll. First, light will fall on the leaf, it will excite the chlorophyll. And then after that, there will be other processes, photolysis of water and then production of ATP and NADPH. All right. But first, it will be excitation of chlorophyll. Yes, students, we will revise all the chapters in biology. Okay. In the upcoming classes, we will revise. Okay. Next question. The opening and the closing of stomatal pores depends on, and your options are number 1, temperature, number 2, minerals, number 3, water in guard cells, number 4, oxygen. The opening and closing of stomatal pores depends on temperature, minerals, water in guard cells, or oxygen. Alright, students, so the correct answer for this question will be option 3, water in guard cells. Okay, because we are talking about stomatal opening, right? So, when guard cells are filled with water, there is more pressure on it and then they open. Temperature, there is no role of temperature in the opening of stomatal cells. Okay, next question. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants come from glucose, water, carbon dioxide, or chlorophyll. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants come from glucose, water, carbon dioxide, or chlorophyll. Quick students, your time is running. Okay, many of you are answering number 2, number 1, number 4, number 3. Let's check the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is number 2, water. Okay, the oxygen liberated during photosynthesis, that comes from water. Okay, those who have opted option 2, they are right. Next question. The first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive system is pepsin, amylase, lipase, or trypsin. This question we have already done and you all know the answer. The first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive system is amylase. I told you, na, it's salivary amylase. It gets mixed in the mouth only. And next question, where do proteins first digest in the alimentary canal? Mouth, esophagus, stomach, or small intestine? Where do proteins first get digested in the alimentary canal? Mouth, esophagus, stomach, or small intestine? Alright, the correct answer for this question is option 3, stomach. Okay. Third option is the right answer, students. Okay, next question we have deficiency of thiamine causes glossitis, scurvy, anemia, or beriberi. Deficiency of thiamine causes glossitis, scurvy, anemia, or beriberi. Which is the correct answer? About mathematics saying beriberi. Okay, Shri Vanilla, 4. Aditya, 4. Mohammad Zafar, 4. Alright. Yes, students, the correct answer for this question is very, very. Maximum of you are correct. Very well done, students. Next question. This disease is due to deficiency of proteins and calories. Okay? And your options are number 1, kwashiorkor, number 2, marasmus, number 3, obesity, or number 4, pellagra. This disease is due to deficiency of proteins and calories. And your options are kwashiorkor, marasmus, obesity, or is it pellagra? I can see many of you are confused between option 1 and option 2. So the correct answer is option 2, marasmus. Okay, not kwashiorkor. Okay, that is a malnutrient disease, kwashiorkor. Okay, next question. The reasons for malnutrition in our country. And your options are number 1, poor health with full starvation. Number 2, lack of awareness of nutritional habits. Number 3, socio-economic factors. Number 4, all the above. Now, for this question, you should not think more. The reason for malnutrition in our country, it is poor health, it is willful starvation, it is lack of awareness or nutritional habits as well, and socio-economic factors are also there. So the correct answer will be all the above. Okay, those who have opted option 4, they are right. All the reasons fit for the cause of malnutrition. Next question. We can avoid indigestion by having simple, well-balanced diet, eating food in a leisurely manner, thoroughly masticating food, and taking violent exercise after eating food, or all the above. Which one is the right answer, students? How can we avoid indigestion? Alright, students. So the correct answer is option. Oh, just give me one second. Alright. The correct answer for this question is all the above. Okay, those who are writing option number 4, they are right. Okay, we can avoid indigestion by following all these steps. Next question. The vitamin which helps in healing of wounds and fracture in bones is, and your options are number 1, vitamin K, number 2, vitamin C, number 3, vitamin D, or number 4, vitamin A. The vitamin which helps in healing of wounds and fracture of bones. K, C, D, or A? Now this is quite tricky question. I know many of you will be confused in this. Let me tell you. The correct answer is vitamin C. Okay, number 2 is the right answer. Vitamin D is important for the formation of bones. All right. So do not get confused. For healing of wounds and bones, vitamin C is important. Next question. The vitamin required for the synthesis of nucleic acid is tocopherol, folic acid, cyanocobalamin, or riboflavin. Aditya Pawan. Yes, you are right. Answer 2 is the right answer. Sorry, option 2 was the right answer. And those who have opted option 2, they are right. Answer this question. The vitamin required for the synthesis of nucleic acid. Tocopherol, folic acid, cyanocobalamin, or riboflavin. Come on. All right, let's see the correct answer. So the correct answer is folic acid. Venkat Raman, Dodla Swati, they both are right. Okay. Students, I cannot take all of your names, but those who are opting these options, they are right. Okay. For this question, those who have opted option 2, they are right. Next question. This vitamin is known as anti-sterility vitamin. And your options are number 1, A, number 2, B12, number 3, K, or number 4, E. Anti-sterility vitamin. A, B12, K, or E. Which vitamin is known as anti-sterility vitamin, students? Okay. Okay, I'm getting mixed responses. Somebody is saying 2, somebody is saying 3. But the first one who gave me the correct answer is Nandlal Chauhan. That is E. E is the right answer. Okay, vitamin E is known as anti-sterility vitamin. Okay, rest all who has opted option 4, they are right. Next question. Pernicious anemia occurs due to the deficiency of, and your options are number 1, vitamin B6, number 2, vitamin B12, number 3, vitamin B3, or number 4, vitamin B2. Pernicious anemia occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B3, or vitamin B2. Quickly answer this question. We'll reveal the answers within a few seconds. Alright, the correct answer is number 2, vitamin B12. Excellent students. Many of you, maximum of you has written number 2. Number 2 is the right answer, students. Next question. Fat soluble vitamins are number 1, vitamin A, number 2, vitamin B and C, number 3, vitamin A, D, E and K, number 4, vitamin A, B and C. Quickly tell me this answer. This is very important question. Fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. These are very important questions. So, which are fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, vitamin B and C, vitamin A, D, E and K, vitamin A, B and C. Let me see who answers correctly. Adarsh, Aditya, Shri Vanilla, Mohammad Zafar, Nitin. You all are right. The correct answer is option 3, vitamin A, D, E, and K. All right, those who have opted option 3, they are right. Next question. In these animals, small intestine is the longest part in the digestive system. And your options are number 1, carnivores, number 2, herbivores, number 3, omnivores, or number 4, all the above. In these animals, small intestine is the longest part in digestive system. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, or all the above. Alright, students, the correct answer is number 2, herbivores. Okay, not number 4, but number 2 is the right answer. Okay. The organisms having parasitic mode of nutrition is, and your options are number 1 Euglena, number 2 Penicillium, number 3 Plasmodium, or number 4 Paramecium. The organism having parasitic mode of nutrition. Euglena, Penicillium, Plasmodium, or Paramecium. Quick students. But your responses are very impressive. I'm impressed to see the session you have made that is very interactive. Alright, let's reveal the correct answer now. So the correct answer is number 3, Plasmodium. Okay? Venkatraman is right. Lingya Jadi. I'm sorry, students, if I'm not able to pronounce your names. But those who have opted option 3, they are right. Okay? Next question. Fats are emulsified by. And your options are bile juice, pancreatic juice, intestinal juice, or all the above. Which one will be the right answer? Fats are emulsified by bile juice, pancreatic juice, intestinal juice, or all the above. Quickly tell me this answer. Okay, as I'm getting mixed responses, let me reveal the correct answer. That is option number 1, bile juice. Okay, so those who have opted option number 1, they are correct. Okay, next question. Complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats occur in stomach, small intestine, large intestine, or buccal cavity. Complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats occur in stomach, small intestine, large intestine, or buccal cavity. Many of you are saying number 1. But let me tell you, the correct answer is number 2, small intestine. Okay. Many of you are right also. Number 2, those who have opted Hanshika, Swati, Shri Vanilla, and Bubulo, you all are right. But those who are answering number 1, number 1 is not the right answer. The right answer is small intestine. Okay. Make a note of this question. Next question. Proteins in the food are digested by, and your options are number 1 pepsin, number 2 trypsin, number 3 lipase, or number 4 pepsin and trypsin both. These are very important questions, students. Please make a note of these questions, okay? And you can always go back and watch the videos again and again of these questions if you forget the answers, okay? All right. The correct answer for this question is number 4, pepsin and trypsin. Okay, those who have opted option 4, they are right. Pepsin and trypsin both are there. Saliva contains an enzyme called, and your options are number 1 amylase, number 2 pepsin, number 3 trypsin, or number 4 lipase. This is very easy question. Since starting, I am telling you that saliva contains an enzyme known as what? The first enzyme that mixed with the food. That is amylase. So, number 1, amylase will be the correct answer. Okay? Alright. Next question. Cascata belongs to this family. And your options are Capridaceae, Convolvulaceae, Cassipylidaceae, or number 4, Anacardiaceae. Okay? Which will be the correct option? Cascata belongs to this family. Capridaceae, Convolvulaceae, or C-slepidaceae or anacardiaceae? Num- Okay, very well, students. The correct answer is option 2, convalescent. Many of you are answering option 2. You all are right. Next question. Amoeba takes in food through nephridia, cytostome, pseudopodia, or all the above. Amoeba takes in food through nephridia, cytostome, pseudopodia, or all the above. For this question, the correct answer is option 3, pseudopodia. Okay. Next question. Identify the organism that break down the food materials outside the body and then absorb it. And your options are number 1, bread molds, number 2, yeast, number 3, mushrooms, number 4, all. Priyanka, number 4, Aditya, number 4, Hansika, number 4. And you all are correct. The correct answer is number 4 itself. Very well done, students. Next question. Identify the parasitic plant. Cascata, cucumis, hibiscus, or helianthus. What will be the right answer? Cascata, cucumis, hibiscus, or helianthus? This is very easy. The correct answer is cascata. Okay. Next question. In which process the low energy substances are converted to high energy compounds? Respiration, photosynthesis, fermentation, or Krebs cycle? In which process the low energy substances are converted to high energy compounds? Respiration, photosynthesis, fermentation, or Krebs cycle? The correct answer for this question is fermentation. Okay, those who have opted option number 3, only they are right. Okay, students. Next question. The digestive juice which has no enzyme is pancreatic juice, bile juice, intestinal juice, or all the above. Come on, quickly tell this answer, students. The digestive juice which has no enzyme. Students, option 2 is the right answer, that is bile juice. Okay. Next question. Pancreatic juice contains these enzymes: trypsin, chymotrypsin, lipase, amylase, trypsin lipase, or number 4, both 1 and 2. The correct answer for this question is number 4, both 1 and 2. Okay, those who have opted option 4, they are right. Next question. The acid present in gastric juice is nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, or acetic acid. This is very easy. We all know that acid present in gastric juice is hydrochloric acid. Yes? Next question. Chyme is partially digested food, undigested food, or absorbed food, or solid food. Chyme or chyme, whatever you pronounce. What is chyme? Partially digested food and undigested food, absorbed food, or solid food? The correct answer is number 1, partially digested food. Okay, those who have opted option number 1, they are right. Next question. In which part of the alimentary canal digested food is absorbed? And your options are stomach, mouth, large intestine or small intestine? We are talking about absorption of the food. So the correct answer will be small intestine. Okay, food is absorbed in small intestine and water is absorbed in large intestine. Okay, those who have opted option number 4, they are right. The longest part of the alimentary canal is small intestine, large intestine, esophagus, or stomach. One students, the longest part of the alimentary canal. The correct answer is number 1, small intestine. Okay. Next question. Most of the water present in digested food is absorbed in stomach, large intestine, small intestine, or mouth. Just now I told you this answer that food is absorbed in small intestine and water is absorbed in large intestine. Okay. So the correct answer is large intestine. Next question. We feel bilious or liverish when we eat rich meals several days, when we eat malnutrition food for several days, when we eat fat containing food for few days, or when we do not eat anything. Which will be the correct option? We feel bilious. When do we feel bilious or liverish? When we eat rich meal for several days. Okay. All right, students, that's all for today's class. Okay, we will meet super soon in the next class with the new topic. And yes, those who are requesting for the explanation, we will definitely do the explanation and theory classes also of all the chapters in the upcoming classes. All right, thank you so much. And yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is Jatadhara Educational Technology. Take care. Bye bye.